Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin Up, and today we'll be making the Thank You Kindly kit. This kit comes with everything you need to create simple yet elegant thank you cards. The floral and gold foil elements add a sophisticated touch to the beautifully understated cards you'll be excited to send. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. I love how these beautiful cards come together so easily. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kids Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!